Welcome to Nifty Notions from So Very Easy. My name is Laura, and today's Nifty Notion is more than just a notion. It's a notion, it's a tip, and it's educational. It is a new book. The book is called A Field Guide, You and Your Sewing Machine. It's put out by C&T Publishing, and it's a great book all about how to keep our sewing machine happy, which means we are going to be happy. The book has been written by a gentleman who has over 40 years experience on sewing machines. So we're getting the information from the machine inside out. The book has a lot of great information in it, and one of the key things is it covers any brand of sewing machine. It's not the name on the machine, it's the type. For example, here are all the different bobbins of different machines. We have the bobbin hooks, and he also talks about bobbins. So these are all the different bobbins that you can get for different machines. There's a great article on what to look for when you're going to buy a new machine. It also goes through using the right foot for the right job. It also talks about how to take care of your walking foot. Of course, cleaning and maintaining the machine is very important. And he goes through that, and he also covers all the different machines. Now, it's still important that just like a car, we maintain our machine by taking it to a technician. We cannot necessarily see what is inside that machine, so it's important that they go in, they clean it, they can set the time so that it's running to the best that it can. Just like we would expect from a car, we do need to expect it from our machines. Sewing machines can last a lot longer than cars, so it's nice that we take care of them. It goes right into different types of tension and how those tensions work. Adjusting your bobbin so that the tension is correct. And it does give us hints if the machine's not running correctly, what to look for. And how to repair some of the little things that we are able to do ourselves. It covers needles, and throughout the book, he has a bunch of tips. He talks about pressure and balance, buttonholes, and a great reference for troubleshooting. If you want to learn more about how your machine works, how to troubleshoot it, and how to keep your machine happy so it keeps you happy, this is definitely a really good book to look for. This is going to be a timeless book that you're going to be able to keep with your machine and with your manual, because the information in here is really quite extensive. It's easy to read and it's easy to understand. Thank you for joining me today on So Very Easy. Feel free to subscribe, and as always, come on back. Let's see what we're talking about next time. Bye for now.